Look at this. The crown, the flower, the feather, all painted smaller than a grain of rice. This is Mughal miniature painting. An art so detailed it can take days just to finish a tiny part. Today I will take you into this beautiful world step by step. So, even if you are new to art, you will understand exactly how it's made. Hi, I am Saida Ishrat and this is Official Ishi Art. I teach Mughal miniature painting in a simple way so beginners can learn without feeling lost. Today we will explore what this art is, where it came from, and how it's created. From the first sketch to the final touch of gold. A Mughal miniature is a very small painting, often the size of notebook page, but filled with incredible detail. This style started hundreds of years ago in the royal court of India. Kings loved these paintings because they showed their lives, their victories, and their culture, like a royal photo album but hand painted. You don't need a lot to start, just the right tools. A fine brush. In history, they used brushes made from squirrel hair. Smooth paper. The king used handmade paper polish until it was shiny. And colors. Artists made them from plants, stones, and even gold. Today, you can start with watercolor paints, a small brush, and good quality paper. Here's the process in 4 simple steps. Number 1, sketch. Start with a light pencil drawing. Keep it simple at first. Number 2, outline. Go over your line with a fine brush or pen to make them clear. Number 3, color. Add thin layers of color, letting each one dry before the next. Number 4, details. Add small touches like jewelry, fabric fold, and patterns. If you want, you can also add gold paint at the end. It makes the art shine just like in the old days. Miniatures aren't just pretty pictures, they tell stories. A lotus means purity. A falcon means royalty and power. Even where a person stands in the paintings shows their importance. Once you know these meanings, you can read the paintings like a storybook. Even though this art hundreds of years old, people still love it today. Why? Because it teaches patience, focus, and love for detail. And the best part, anyone can start learning even if they have never painted before. If you enjoyed this beginners look into Mughal miniature painting, subscribe to Official Ishi Art. In my next videos, I will teach you easy step to draw floral borders, mix colors, and create your first Mughal portrait. Let's keep this beautiful art alive together. Thanks for watching.